So hello guys, today we are going to see how to create a S3 bucket and what is the storing services that AWS provide us. So before going to the demo, let's try to understand what is a theory, means what is the purpose of it and why we need it. So first, here you can see my blog. You can go to the simply you can type on the web browser that dot hashnode dot dev. So here is my blog, uh, which contain the different types of services that AWS provide. And here is the one service that we are going to see today. So what is the storage in AWS? What is the S3 service? Okay. So consider that you have a high backend application and you want to store a huge amount of data. And if you are in a startup company, if you are in a big tech giant company, so you can purchase on-premises servers like IBM technology that provides us, or you can just buy the servers by your own. But what if you are a startup? Then what will be the cost of it, and is it going to be profitable for you? So to overcome this problem, cloud what the AWS cloud provider did is that they come up with the solution with storage services like you know uh, what we can say here we have the different types of services. So first we have EBS is a elastic block storage. We can we can configure it with EC2 instance. So it will process the data that associated with the EC2 instance, and that's it for EBS elastic block storage. And then we have the Glacier. Glacier is basically if you want to store your data for a long time, then here you can use the Glacier. And Snowball is a very traditional way, means if you have a huge amount of data, means want to transfer it physically from the migrate to the cloud. So you can use it because they provide you the kit of it, and they have their own truck of Snowball. So they will collect the data from your server, and then it will goes to the Amazon Web Services server. So what is the AS3 bucket? So why I'm talking about AS3? Because all these services are good, but m- most profitable means most efficient and most cost optimizes services S3. So it's provided by AWS, and you can retrieve data very fast and upload the object-based files. So here you can directly upload your videos for music files, HTML web page, and all the things. So bucket means is storing the group of objects. We can store the objects in this. So there are types of the S3 bucket. So yeah, here we have the standard S3, which is very profitable. Means here you can use this for your day-to-day work. And if you are not using that data too much, means if you are using it frequently, so you can go with the S3 standard IA. And here we have the one zone. What is the S3 one zone? Means is that consider you have the you want to you have a data that's no longer useful, means you want to store it but it's not that important. So what you will do, you will buy the S3 zone service. So what it does, it will not create three or four multiple zones for your S3 bucket, means your data. It will only store the data in your one bucket. So it means that it will only store your data in one availability zone. Means there is a data failure, your data may be lost. But what is the benefit of this is that if you have the three or four availability zones with your data, if some zones fail, means it will not be impactful for your data loss. So it's a benefit for it. And here we have the intelligent tiering. So it automatically moves at means if you are confused with how can I select the uh, you know which tire. So here is a smart tire, basis on your data or information that you provide, it will give you the best service. So here is a theory. You can read the blogs or you can follow my documentation. This is overview of it. So let's dive into the project now. So go to the AWS homepage, and if you don't have created account, just go and create account. Amazon provides the free tire for 12 months. You can use their resources for free. Not all of them, but some of them are free. So let's search here that S3. After that just click on create a bucket. So I already told you that we have a bucket, and bucket is means you can consider it as our bucket, normal bucket. So bucket is empty, you have to fill the objects in this. So I'm going to create the bucket now. Okay, so here is my region. So here you can see, if you got one question is that, oh, here is a available here. Our S3 bucket is global, So how can they are asking for us to enter the region? So basically, what it does, it will connect. Means its approach is that if you want to uh, retrieve the data in fast way, so it will fetch the nearest region. So the data retrieval will be fast, and you can access the data in fast way. So that's why they asking for the region. So you can enter here your bucket name, my S3 bucket. Okay, so here you can give the ownership. ACL means access control logic. So you can give the access control list here. Means who can access this. So here is a very important step. So if you untick this button, all users that are using AWS service will able to access your website or your objects. So do not make this mistake. I am doing it for, let's try to keep it as it is, because you don't need to give the access to all users because your data may be sensitive. So bucket versioning. So if you want to uh, you know uh, versioning means you have learned that what is a kit and all. Versioning means it will keep the track of your versions that your application have. Means it will provide you the access for your previous version and the latest version also. So if you delete the previous version, it will show you the latest version. So I want to give it enable. Then it will provide you the encryption type, which is server side encryption. Here you can click on create a bucket. Oh, so here you cannot give the, you cannot give the what we can say the underscore. You just have to give the hyphens. You can give the hyphens here. So and one of the most important thing is your bucket name should be unique. So global all over the world they are your global. As I said, the bucket is created on global level, so you should give the name according to that. So one, two, three. Yes, this should be perfect. So let's create a bucket. Yes, here you have created a bucket. So just go inside this, and here you can upload the one objects. So you can add folders. You can attach the files. So I'm going to add one notes here. Just click on upload. So your transfer is successful, means your file is uploaded. What if you have to access this file? Just click on this object, and here you can see the object URL. So what it says that you don't have access of it because we don't provide any public access to this our S3 bucket. So what you have to do here is that you can enable the permissions, means ACL, or uh, what we can say, you can edit it by using the you can edit the whole services, or you can directly edit the bucket policy, which is the go inside the properties and click on edit. Here we have enabled the versioning. So let me find this for you. AWS crawl trail. Okay. Here the one option I want to show you that the static web hosting. You can host your static website using this. So you have to enable this, and they will ask you the file name, and you have to upload this. So here, so let's go to the permission. Here you can see block all public access. So you have to click on this for now because I want to access this publicly. So type the confirm. So here now you can go to the notes, and here you can able to access your notes. Here what it says that okay, it takes to time to you know for it takes a little bit time to refresh. So just for just wait for a minute. So then you can able to access your uh, okay. So here is all right, and then here you can also see the permission read write permissions are there. So just open it here. You can able to see your here you can able to see your PDF now. Mm, yes, here you can see the URL and all the things. So here is the video, guys. So in this video we have seen that how to create a S3 bucket and how to enable it. So goodbye, see you in the next time.